Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen, and this time it's not for a budget recipe. We're going to be giving new life to some old kitchen cabinets. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Before we get started, quick note, you're going to want some gloves and don't wear good clothing while you're doing this. First thing we're going to do is remove the knob. Now at this point you can remove the hinges too, but I'm only one person and I don't have a place to put these once I take them down. So I'm going to leave the hinges on now, then take them off later. That way I take one hinge off at a time and replace it with the new one. Let's go ahead and get this knob off. Now as you can see, it has some bad spots on it. And there's grease here from hands and I guess cooking. It's rubbed off right here. So we're going to take Clorox disinfectant wipe. Now if you ain't got these, use a rag with some rubbing alcohol. If you ain't got that, at the very least wash them off real good. Now this is the Old English scratch cover for dark wood. They make it in a light wood, but I haven't really been too impressed by that. But if you got dark wood, this works great. I'll have a link to this down below in the description box. But let's go ahead and open up the bottle. A little bit will go a long way. I've had this bottle for years. Put some on a rag. Go over your cabinet. Now the next thing we want to do is replace these old hinges. Now I went ahead and got the same style hinges. I just got them in silver or chrome, whatever you want to call it. Same screw patterns, okay? Exact same hinge, except different color. About the same style knob, but this one's also chrome or silver, whatever you want to call it.